A slow website isn't just annoying, it quietly drives customers away. Think about the last time you clicked on a website that took forever to load. Chances are, you didn't wait. You hit the back button and moved on. That's exactly what your visitors are doing if your website is slow. They don't know why it's taking so long, and honestly, they don't care. They just want answers, products, or services fast. If your website can't deliver that, someone else's will. One of the biggest misconceptions is that a beautiful website automatically means a good website. You can have stunning animations, high quality images, and the perfect color palette, but if it takes 6 or 7 seconds to load, most people will never stick around long enough to appreciate any of it. Speed comes before design, before branding, before your sales pitch. If people can't access your website quickly, nothing else matters. So why is your website slow? In many cases, it has nothing to do with the design itself. The biggest culprit is often the hosting behind your website. Think of hosting as the foundation of a building. If the foundation is weak, it doesn't matter how beautiful the house looks. Cheap hosting providers often cram thousands of websites onto a single server. When traffic spikes, everyone on that server slows down. Your visitors end up waiting because your website is competing for resources with countless others. Another common issue is oversized images. Many business owners upload photos straight from their phones or cameras without compressing them. A single image that's 8 or 10 megabytes might look great, but it's forcing every visitor to download a massive file before the page can fully load. Multiply that by 10 or 20 images, and you've got a website that's working against itself. Plugins can also be a hidden problem. Every plugin adds extra code, and while they're useful, installing dozens of them without thinking about performance is like packing your car with unnecessary luggage before a road trip. Eventually, everything becomes heavier and slower. The same goes for outdated themes, unnecessary scripts, and poor optimization. Website speed isn't just about user experience either. Search engines pay attention to it. If your website loads slowly, it can hurt your rankings, making it harder for potential customers to find you in the first place. Even if people do find your site, a slow experience reduces trust. Whether we realize it or not, we associate speed with professionalism. Fast websites feel modern, reliable, and secure. Slow websites feel neglected. Here's a simple test you can do right now. Open your website on your phone using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Start counting. 1, 2, 3. If your homepage still hasn't loaded by then, you've probably got a speed problem worth fixing. Most people expect websites to load within just a few seconds, and every extra second increases the chances they'll leave without taking any action. The good news is that website speed is one of the easiest problems to improve. Compress your images before uploading them. Remove plugins you no longer use. Enable caching. Minify your CSS and JavaScript files, and most importantly, make sure your website is running on quality hosting with fast NVMe storage, optimized servers, and reliable uptime. A solid hosting provider won't solve every performance issue, but it gives your website the strong foundation it needs.